Hey YouTube, Scott Dunnage Garage, how you doing today? In this episode, we are putting new struts in the Ursa Minor, so stay tuned. Before we install it, let's take a closer look at this lucid strut for the Ursa Minor, specifically the clips. So what you're going to do is take a small screwdriver or pick and pry this back between the ball and the shaft. There's a trough that the clip sits in. And with the clip rotated out, it pulls out and out of the way. Once it's in place, push it back up through the hole. You may need to feign dangle it just a little bit to get it to come out the top. It doesn't stick out much. And then rotate it back down. It snaps in place. Here's the pin right here, and this is what keeps the strut on the ball. Once the top is up, the first step is to remove the pins. What I have found to be easiest is to remove the top pin first. Once that is out of the way, then we'll put a ratchet strap on. Once the top pin is pulled, apply a ratchet strap to take the tension off the strut, then take the lower pin out of the strut. Once the lower pin is removed, make sure your helper is ready and remove the bottom portion of the strut and then twist the upper portion of the strut to take it completely out. Now this top is much heavier than you'd realize, so make sure your buddy is ready and make sure they're able to help hold on. What we did find later in the video is by putting a 2x4 in the back, it really helped out. While I would like to say putting in the new struts is simple, you just reverse the process, it really isn't that simple. Start at the top, walk it in, make sure it is all the way in place, and then put the upper pin in. Next, put your ratchet strap on. Now this actually ripped through the ratchet strap. There's that much tension on these struts. It is a pain in the butt. Pro tip, make sure the holes for the studs are facing the same direction. Make sure your ratchet strap doesn't coil over and cover up the hole. And then simply snap it in, release the ratchet strap, and put the pin back in.
That was sucking. Yeah, that top's a lot heavier than I thought it was.
Now remember, when you're doing one strut, you need to do both struts. So this will take you about a half an hour. Here's a picture of the board that we used, the 2x4. That thing is, again, way heavier than expected. You could do it by yourself with the board, but if it shifts and falls, you've got problems. So yeah, use two people.
Oh. What? Your strap just went up into the hole. I got it. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Oh.
And there you go. With about a half an hour, a 2x4 to help hold it up, you can replace the struts in your own Ursa Minor. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next adventure.